Viewers, let's go ahead to the top story coming in. Two-judge bench of the Supreme Court by the Justice A.S. Oka and Justice Ujjwal Bhuyan will hear a public interest litigation seeking the registration of an FIR against Justice Yashwant Verma over allegations linked to a large stash of cash found at his official residence. A very big story, and a probe continues, viewers. In this case, a two-judge bench of Supreme Court led by Justice A.S. Oka, Justice Ujjwal Bhuyan will hear this PIL. Now, this PIL is about seeking the registration of an FIR against Justice Verma over the allegations linked to a large stash of cash found at his official residence. And I want to go across to Gopi. Let's go to Gopi. If you have Gopi, let's go to Gopi right now, joining us live from New Delhi. Gopi, the PIL was filed by 3 lawyers. A petition challenges jurisdiction of the 3-member committee constituted by the Collegium to investigate the incident that occurred when heaps and heaps of notes were discovered at Justice Verma's residence following a fire. Yes, Gopi, go ahead and take our viewers through the details about this PIL.
Well, Shivangi, it indeed is a big day today because the Supreme Court is going to hear the petition which was filed by Justice Nedumpara. Now, this particular PIL focuses entirely on that this case should be handed over to the police. It should lead to further police investigation, and it shouldn't be led by the bench of special committee which has been formed by the Supreme Court. So this is the major concern. While it will be heard in the bench of Justice Oka as well as Ujjwal Bhuyan, as you have correctly mentioned, the reconsideration of Judicial Accountability Bill of 2010 is also pleaded in that particular PIL. We will have to see. Yesterday we saw how Chief Fire Officer's statement was also recorded again, because there were many contradictions and U-turns in his statement. Hence his proper pressure on police and police investigation. This plea is all about giving and sending a larger amount of scale to this case while presiding the entire case to the police and not to the special bench of Supreme Court. Yes, back to you. We will have to wait and watch what happens at the Supreme Court today. We will be giving you minute-to-minute update from the Supreme Court. Back to you, Shivang.
Right. All right. The SC will be hearing a plea seeking FIR against Justice Verma.